Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you have seen the title, I'll be reviewing the pricing of different spare parts available on Amazon for RX 135 and also RX 100. So let's get it started. So before starting, I just want to let you know about how qualified I am to make the comments on the pricing. First thing is that I've done many restoration work for RX 100, 135 and also RX-Z. It involved buying many different spares. I always try to buy the original spares. If not possible, I used to get the best possible spares available in the market. In the hunt of buying the original spares, I got and made many contacts of big dealers in and around my city. As my contacts grow, I just felt like helping out my fellow RXians who are struggling to buy original spares. So I started an Instagram page called RX Buy and Sell, where I used to act like a middleman between the dealer and the customer. I used to buy the parts from the dealer, like any parts which were needed for the customer who were messaging in my Instagram page, and I used to courier it to their address without any problems. Till today, I've done more than 100 shippings which involved many different kind of spares. So this experience of mine makes me more than qualified to review the Amazon prices. Also, I'll show the proof where the sellers on Amazon is costing the products more than necessary. There are a few products on Amazon which is bang on for every single rupee. I'll even talk about that. To buy RX parts on Amazon, all you have to do is go to the Amazon, and in the search link you need to type RX 100. So here you can see there are many different products listed in the page. Let's get to our first product. I'm having, okay, we can see that it says meter plate for RX 100, but I cannot see the meter plate. Meter plate is one that is kept behind the speedometer for the support, and it is clear in this image that it is not a meter plate and it is just an engine overall kit. Okay, even that, if he's selling the engine overall kit, it should be around 159 plus maybe like 30 rupees for shipping, but it's way more than that. It's 260 rupees including the delivery charges. So that's one thing. And another one is full rubber kit for RX 100. You can also swap the rubber kit of RX 100 with the 135. Maybe a few things might change, but most of things remain the same. And here you can see it's 710. That's quite huge. That's definitely not how much it cost. You might be shocked after hearing the price of it. The normal, it seems like a non OEM product, that is non original product. Maybe it's some Delhi made, but you can buy a Diksha product, which Diksha was the vendor who was supplying for Yamaha. So you can buy that product for around 550 rupees. The last time I bought was for 550 rupees. So that's about it. You'll get almost everything what you see in this image. You can see over here there are all everything which is needed for the Yamaha RX 100 and 135. And the next one is, okay, the bike's primary gear. Also, let me see the seller. Okay, it's KG Enterprise. They are having 3 star out of 5 and just 6 rating. Okay, that's about it. And let's see, bikes hub main primary gear for RX 100 OE. Maybe the seller is having only one. Oh yes, as I said, he's having only one. And also this is the same seller who is selling the expensive kit. So yeah, this definitely should cost somewhere around 1300. For 2500 you'll just get an old clutch assembly second handed. So that's the thing. And okay, he's also having the pistons. He says that it has got Mahle pistons, but in the customer's review They have said that the Mahle product was just double the. Okay, it is the Mahle piston, but it's not Escort Mahle, but it's just Mahle, and it's twice as much as it is as I suggested. The price of the Mahle piston is around like 760 or 860, I guess. Yeah, and yeah, this cup and cone set for handle, that is T-stem, it cost around like 285. Okay, yeah, this cost is quite okay, and it's from the same seller, KG Enterprise. Okay, and now coming to this hub coil plate assembly for RX100. I don't know which hub it is. It's definitely not original, but it seems like it may work, but I don't know which kind of magnet suits it, because there is very little gap between these two and the pulse coil is outside, so this will definitely not suit it in your stock condition bike, so just don't buy this one. And yeah, here it is, the one. Okay, it's currently unavailable, but when I saw it in the morning, it was available. And also the seller is Cloudtail, which is most known seller. Is okay. This one was for like around 250, so you might get this when it's in the stock. It's also by Unominda. Seller is selling from Cloudtail, sorry. And this one, okay, this is from the KG Enterprise. The rear wheel hub for RX100 135 and RXZ. Yeah, this price might seem okay because the delivery cost might go up to 120 rupees in courier. I can give one for this. Okay, and the gear lever. Okay, let's go to the gear lever. The gear lever is priced at around 300 plus 80 rupees shipping. Obviously, it should be this seller. And yeah, so 350, 380, but I bought it for like around maybe like 250 or something last time when I went to the market, sorry, the auto spare shop. And the seat, yeah, I have this, but this kind of seat is uncomfortable for the rides, for long rides especially, and most of the times these kind of seats will get uh, broken over time, or the leather will be torn apart. So always prefer a good quality. The wait, let me see the customer's review. The one says it's 5-star, but also the another one says the product says it does not match for RX. That's about it. So also the pricing of the seat is around as you can see in the video, I bought the Diksha seat for around 1600 rupees, so the price is 1000 rupees more than that. And also the seller is someone else, not the KG guy. So that's about the seat. And this as you can see in the picture, the seat which I bought is very comfortable, and as I said, the Diksha is the OE vendor for Yamaha. So the tank emblem, let's get to the tank emblem. Okay, the tank emblem is priced at 120 in the Amazon, but with shipping it's 200 rupees. If you buy it in the local shop, you can get it for like 124. Okay, this seems quite okay, but the shipping cost will be priced really low. Like if you buy it from the local shop and ship it to others, it will be like just 30 rupees for shipping in the normal postal cover. And the cable kit for RX100, yes, the cable kit, this one seems the price okay. This cable, accelerator cable with oil pump pulling is around like 160, and the clutch is around 120, and something 80 rupees for, I don't know what are these three clutch, but I think just two cables in RX, and I'm definitely sure about that. One is throttle cable and another one is clutch cable. These two together will cost around just maybe 250. Okay, the another one is maybe for The choke cable maybe like 80 rupees, I guess. Okay, altogether should be like 300, maybe less than 350, but he's priced around 560, so that's very huge. And coming to this, let's see the bike petrol tank. Okay, I don't know. I don't see. It don't seems like it is original made, because if it was original, he would have posted the real pictures. And as you can see, the part is priced at around 3,500. That is 3,350. But you can buy the Delhi made tanks for around just 2,200 in the local markets. I've never bought it, but I don't prefer to buy Delhi made or this kind of stuff. Always go with the original one, even if it's old. Just get it and just pay it yourself for just 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. And the last one is, okay, the side panels. You can see over here the side panel is here 850, but I can show you that the last time I bought the side panel was 520 rupees with paint. And this seems like it doesn't have stickers, but mine had a stickers and everything. Here is the sprocket kit for RX 100, not R135, it's 400. And let's see the price. It's 760 rupees. Okay, the price seems good, and it also has a free. Okay, now why the free delivery is because the seller is Cloudtail. I'm not biased or anything to promote Cloudtail. I'm just stating out the fact. The Cloudtail is a known seller in Amazon, and also the is providing it for free. But even though they are providing it for the right price, the quality might not be that good, because the what do you say, the sprocket kits of RX 135 or 100 was made by Diamond, which is a chain manufacturer, diamond chain manufacturer. And here it is Seiko. I don't know what Seiko, I never heard of this Seiko manufacturer. And also the price of diamond sprocket kit, which was used to come in the original boxes of Yamaha, it was just the same price, that just 20 rupees more than this. So that's one thing. We also have this Seiko footrest assembly for RX100. It's both the sides rear passenger foot peg. So it says that Seiko, it's stamped Seiko in the middle of the foot peg, and priced at around 130. It seems very cheap compared to what I bought. The RX 135 or 100 of original foot pegs come in different packs, like the main support, which is made in metal comes in different pack, and the rubber comes in different, the split pins, the needles and everything comes in different. Everything together should cost around like 250 rupees. So this seems a bit cheaper, but one drawback here, the customer's review says that worse than Genix. So the footrest broke the next day I installed it. The cheap quality products, and so even that's a drawback. So it's unnecessary to buy something which has been given negative rating by the customer, so that's ruled out. Here is the worst thing of all. You can see the bike hub wiring harness for RX100, and trust me, the same Swiss harness kit comes for around like let me show you in the video, that is 495 rupees. That too for RX 135 and even for RXZ, and this one for, I guess it's 6 volts wiring harness, and it's for 1280 rupees. That's almost 1400 rupees with the delivery charge. I don't know what this seller is thinking of. So just before buying it, please just try to know the price of it in the market. While I was searching the RX wiring harness, I also saw that SAT Pro wiring harness for RX100, and it is definitely for RX100 and maybe 6 volts wiring kit, but priced at around 600. No, not more. That's 630, 620, I guess. So even that's not unacceptable. That's not acceptable because you're getting the better quality wiring harness, that is Minda wiring harness, which was an OE vendor for Yamaha for just 500 rupees. And even with the shipping, it should not cost more than 590 or 580 rupees. So that's about it. Instead of buying from Amazon, you can just do some searchings in the Facebook or Instagram and find pages like my page, and there are many pages which are having many different sellers, so that you can buy the best for the best products at the best price possible. So that's about it, guys. Let's get to the most important product on Amazon, the RX 100 bow. It's not 135 but 100 bow. 100 bows are quite easy to find. You can even get 100 RX 100 bow from the original manufacturer Yamaha, that is from the showroom. But here is the product of Ganesh RX 100 cylinder with SAM piston, I guess. Yeah, there is a piston called SAM, and it's sold by KG Enterprise. So the price at around 4,200 plus the same 80 rupees delivery, no matter whatever the size it is. And yeah, so this seems like okay. Now we can see over here they have not machined it properly. The original board don't even come in this way. You can see over the parts. The I'm just focusing on it, the center part. It should be the same way how it is in this side, the tapering and the chamfer. But there is no chamfer, but it has been connected to the board itself. So that's not how it looks in the original boards. Definitely not an original board, but it seems okay. And the review seems positive. There are many positive, but only few. That is, maybe he doesn't know how to fit the rings. I cannot speak up about its performance and also its reliability until I get a bow for myself. But I never prefer to go with this kind of bow. I always prefer an old bow. That is, even if it's used, I'll just get it and re-sleeve it and use it. The problem with this kind of bow is that they won't be having the right property of thermal conductivity, just to make sure that the engine is running at an optimum temperature. So instead of this, I just take the board and re-sleeve it. So that's it, guys. I covered almost all the parts available for RX on Amazon. If you feel like buying any products, I'll leave the link in the description so it will be easier for you. If there is any part missing, just leave a comment of mentioning that part and I'll get back to you in the comments. And also don't forget to check out my Instagram page, RX Band Sale. It will be linked in the description. Hope you liked the video. If you find it interesting, just share, like and subscribe for my YouTube channel and help me grow on YouTube. Thank you, take care and cheers.